Howdy! Are you ready to create, share, spread joy by making creations that are a reflection of you? If so, stay tuned to be inspired.
Hello everybody, I'm excited to show you the puzzle card for Valentine's Day. I think it's going to be so much fun for people to receive a card that they put together. So I'm going to use the Honeybee You Are Loved set because these words are nice and big. I was able to get these hearts at Michael's. They're puzzle pieces. I'll link to that below. You get 12, so you make 12 Valentine's Day cards. I highly suggest that you use the Misty on this project. And I'm going to show you how I stamp this. The reason I suggest the Misty is that you have these creases in here and you need to get good coverage, and it's hard to double stamp with a clear stamp block. Here it's a thin card base, so you don't have to worry about doing any kind of alterations to the Misty. And now we're going to put down our words. Remember, you are loved. And you can stamp several of these. You could put Happy Valentine's Day if you wanted to, but I really like this. Remember, you're loved, and then I can write down here at the bottom. So let me show you how to stamp this. We'll get these on here good. And if it comes apart or it comes up, that's okay, because we can just put it back down and we know where to line it up because we've lined it up with this edge. Alright, I am using Memento Tuxedo black ink. This is great because it does not smear. Alright, we're going to put this on here good onto our Misty, and we will stamp it down. And you want to really press down good. You might want to stand up to get a good impression. Look how beautiful that turned out. But I always like to stamp it a second time just to give it a darker look. And you can do this, you can put another one in and stamp that and get all of your cards stamped at once. But for this demonstration, I'm only doing it once. I will wipe off my stamp with my Lawn Fawn chamois. Now this chamois is well loved, and I've had it for a couple of years. I highly recommend these, and I'll link that below too. Alright, for this one, I want to put 3 hearts. I like to do things in threes. There were hearts in that stamp set, and the reason we'll put this magnet down here is to do it in threes. Is when you're creating things, even in decorating, you do things in odd numbers. So I'm going to put 3 hearts down, and now I will take this, and it might have a little bit, that's okay. That's why we got this Misty on here. And we will take these hearts and stamp them onto the card. And this will just add something to it. Alright, now I'm going to take this out of the Misty and show you exactly what I'm going to do. I have a Tombow acid-free marker, which I'll list below, and I'm just going to write my Happy Valentine's Day here. And this will just be part of what they put together on the card, and then I can just sign the card and send it off to the recipient. And what I will do is break the card apart into pieces. I will insert it into this envelope and send it to the recipient this way. And when they receive it, they will have to put it together. And it will just be a fun surprise to put your own puzzle card together. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I will have more fun projects to show you. Thanks for stopping by.